Okay, that is what my bike park looks like after a month of not able to ride it. It's covered in weeds. It wasn't even totally finished, but it's my small backyard pump track thing. But today, so we'll just be doing like a time lapse of getting all the weeds off of it and repacking it in and making stuff a little bigger. And so now let's go into the time lapse. For the most part, I think I may come back to them later. They're pretty smoothed out and all weedy. Now the berm's gonna take a long time. See, that was pretty fast. So. The berm is done. Next we'll be working on that roller, but that's gonna be a problem because there's this puddle right here. Alright, so I accidentally forgot to record the part. For some reason the camera wasn't working very well, and I forgot to put it in time lapse. So now the roller that's following up the berm is done, and next we'll be doing a straight section before the ramp and this mini berm right there. Right now, I've gone down to there, finished up the mini berm and stuff. There's this big puddle where it's all collected, where it's not really soft. I don't know if I'll be able to use it right now. But yeah, so here's the jump, and we'll work on the takeoff of this, and then we'll work on the landing, because but it needs a little bit wider. It's a bit too narrow, so it's only about 2 times as wide as the takeoff. And then, well, this jump will need a lot of weed eating to do on. It's like covered, so that's what you'll see, and then that'll probably be the end of the video. So this is what we completed today. Well, we did the whole thing. So first roller, second roller, the berm. Just drop down a little, like you can pump that, and then this berm, or it's like a twisted roller into a berm right there. And then the gap jump, which I made it, it's probably about 3 inches higher now. Let's see, from about ground level, yeah, about 2 feet high. And then about a 5-foot gap into the landing, which We dug out a hole right there and made it a lot wider because there's only like, take off a foot from each end and that's how wide it would be. I wanted to make it higher, we didn't have enough dirt. Then I made this, like, this is the easy way out, so like, if people don't want to clear the gap jump, they can just go on small little jump or roller thing, which you don't have to really do anything. And then this jump was fine, I just needed to take the weeds off of it and put the landing on. Okay, so like if you liked it and subscribe if you want to subscribe, but